Hi friends, I am Angel and you are watching Moonphone channel. As you already know, today we are going to unbox and review the latest player in the smartphone market, the Ravoz R4. As I told you, this company was just launched at last December and they are making some small noises in the market, so we at Moonphone decided that this will be the best time to introduce you our audience to this smartphone. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post these kind of smartphone related content every week, and check out our other videos, you may like them as well. Okay, back to the video. Ravoz R lineup consists of 4 smartphones. Ravoz R4, R7, R8, and R9. Today we got the Ravoz R4 here, which is the budget-friendly model in this lineup. Let's check out the specs of this smartphone. The Ravoz R4 consists of 18.9 megapixel golden ratio AI Face ID, CPU, MT6737, 4** Cortex, A53 at 1.3 GHz, 2 GB RAM plus 16 GB ROM. 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera. 32 megapixel super pixels selfie. 8.1 ARIA operating system. 2200 mAh battery. 140 hours standby time with single SIM card. Okay, now let's check out the smartphone itself. On the right side of the smartphone, we have the power switch and the volume rockers. On the top we have a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro USB charging port. On the back of the phone, we have an 8 megapixel camera, a flash, Ravoz logo, and a rear firing speaker. At this point, some of our viewers will be thinking, can it play PlayerUnknown's Battleground Mobile? Yes it can, but that will be in its lowest settings as possible. As I already told you guys, this is a budget smartphone, so don't expect flagship level of build quality or performance from this one. It is a budget smartphone for the folks who are looking for a budget smartphone. So, these are our views after this review. The build quality is good. The operating system, which is based on Android ARIA, is customized by putting their own skin on top of that, which is fine. The cameras are good, but not great. There were no lags when we were multitasking. Here are some photos and video samples we took with the Ravoz R4.
Ravoz camera test 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay friends, that was our unboxing and a quick review of Ravoz R4. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more smartphone related content every week. I will see you at the next video. Angel signing out. Bye.